Hello everyone, and we have the car of the day. This is the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we are doing mahogany color perforations. This particular kit has degrees on it, cooling and heating system for this vehicle, and also black piping. Guys, you can buy this kit and many other colors for this particular vehicle directly at leathertech.com or EM Upholstery Technology.com. Many colors, many options available, mostly for any car, not just the Cherokee. We have all the line of vehicles available. Some luxury cars also available for a replacement. And let's take a look at the toy. This is a beautiful interior. It's already leather in it, but it has been seen better days. It's already falling apart. We're gonna do our replacement for this vehicle. This is the top of the line Grand Cherokee. So this is not your standard vehicle. So the only issue in this car right now are seats. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And guys, like and subscribe. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments. And again, any brand, any vehicle, we have virtually everything. Just go to leathertech.com or EM Upholstery Technology. And I'll be shooting this for the next video so you can see the installation and how fantastic this kit looks. You can do it yourself. You can bring it right here so we can have the installation for yourself, guys, in San Bernardino at EM Upholstery Technology.com.